Back with Klarenbach Research. Today is Wednesday, May the 29th, and I'm going to share with you today 3 charts that are of interest to me, and what they are is they're ratio charts. Ratio charts is where I take one asset divided by the other in order to gauge which asset is outperforming the other on a relative basis. So the first chart we're going to look at here is Chicago wheat versus corn, and we can see here that since April and May of 23, that wheat has been outperforming corn on a relative basis. So, we wanted to, given the choice between selling one or the other, you want to hold your wheat longer than hold your corn. Maybe sell your corn, hang on to your wheat. Now, what's interesting enough here is I've outlined a gray area above here, which has been an area of interest to me. It's an area of previous resistance. So, often we've seen a pivot at that level. So will that happen this time? Let's stay tuned and find out. But anyway, interesting level. So what this is telling me that wheat's relative performance to corn is about to change or could change. The next one is a gold and silver ratio chart. Now, my buddy Lauren, the conspiracy theorist, he will love this chart because he has been long silver. And when you're a safe haven investor and you view one of these two assets to be safe havens, then Lauren has made the right decision in allocating his resources to silver, and it's looking good. How low can this ratio go? We can see this ratio can go quite a bit lower, and will silver continue to outperform gold? Let's stay tuned and watch. The next one is the Bitcoin versus gold ratio. Now, my buddy Tim asked me about Bitcoin back here in 21. And I created this chart for him. At that time, I was suggesting that it wasn't the best time to own Bitcoin. It was, gold had maybe the better chance of a better positive returns, and that proved to be true. So that changed though back in spring of 23, February, March of 23, when Bitcoin started outperforming gold. So the play then was to sell your gold and own Bitcoin, and that's proved to be a wise choice. I drew this green line right here. It's roughly at 26. Bitcoin is 26 times the value of gold, and we want to, above that 26 ratio, we want to own Bitcoin. We don't want to own gold. My name is Trent Klarenbach. I publish 2 newsletters, the Klarenbach Grain Report and the Klarenbach Special Crops Report. You can find out more from us at klarenbach.ca. You have a great day. Life is good.